Hi, are you working with QlikSense and are tired of the costly mashups and embedded analytics solutions that are not so user-friendly either? Well, then it is time to cheer up because you have just come to the right place. Hello, my name is Justin and I invite you and welcome you to the very first episode of JoMash 101, where I will be giving you some insights into the many features of JoMash. But first things first, what is JoMash? JoMash is a self-service, no-code platform that enables you to embed QlikSense analytics anywhere seamlessly and create mashups easily. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to work with the feature of object overlay, or generally how it works in JoMash. With no further ado, let's get right to it. Alright, what you are seeing right now is just one of many possible mashup builds in JoMash. Whenever you are planning to stack objects on top of each other in order to interactively display KPIs, tables, charts within the same field, the most important thing to have is the grid widget placed in advance. In order to fulfill that prerequisite, simply click the edit button and onto the grid symbol within your widget library on the left hand side, and then just drag and drop it wherever you want it to go. So now that we have our grid, just right here, all you need to do is select your QlikSense charts, just like this, and drag whatever KPI, table, or chart it is that you want to see over into the designated space, and make sure to adjust the size of it according to your preferences. When placing objects for an overlay, the order in which you place them plays a crucial part as to their level of overlay. For example, placing this interactive map here will grant it the status of the first layer, as I have placed it first, on which I can place another object, such as this table, for example. Gotta adjust the size once more. And let's say I want to depict another KPI on top of that as well. Drag and drop it in here, adjust the size. Let's have that a little bit bigger. Just like that. Yes. You just save it. And there you go. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's little tutorial and stay tuned for next week's episode of JoMash 101, where we will take a look at the expanded collapse feature. If you want to learn more about JoMash, make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell, and you will get notified when we upload the next JoMash 101 episode. Also, check out our website by clicking this link right here. If you have any questions regarding JoMash, write to us in the comments below or contact my colleague Marcus for a comprehensive free demo. You will find his info in the video description. Well, until then, see you next week.